Absolutely, and good morning. It's all going to be about the colour that these companies can provide on the impact of tariffs, whether that's on their international supply chains. Of course, consumer goods companies heavily dependent many times on manufacturing overseas and in developing markets, but also the impact that it might have on consumer spending and how they think that consumers are going to be responding to these potential price hikes that they will be instituting. So as mentioned there, we've had some numbers out already this morning from Zalando and Hugo Boss. Now, Zalando saying that it's confirming its full-year guidance despite what it dubbed a fast-changing geopolitical and macroeconomic environment, though it gave no direct impact or mention, rather, of tariffs. Hugo Boss also releasing its numbers today. The CEO in March a warning of weaker consumer demand in the US and China and noted trade tensions. So it will be interesting to see on earnings calls today with both of those companies what they have more to say about the impact of tariffs. And then moving on to Pandora tomorrow. Now, this is a company that share price was especially hard hit following the tariff announcement. This company heavily dependent on Asian manufacturing, but of course high sales in the US. Now, it said at the time that the gross impact of the originally announced tariffs would be around 1.2 billion Danish kroner per year, and that it was exploring both price increases and new supply chain setup in the US, as well as altering its distribution from the US to Canada and Latin America. It said also at the time, back in April, that it would be giving a potential update soon on the 2025 EBIT margin guidance, and so we could be expecting more of that on Wednesday. And then Puma also reporting on Thursday. Now, this company also issued lackluster annual forecasts back in March, and this on weak US and China demand. So we'll be expecting to see more colour on that. We, of course, had Adidas reporting last week and pointing to potential price hikes.